How to change Viber ringtone. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change Viber ringtone. For that, open your Viber application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will find this interface on your screen. Here at the bottom, you will find 4 different options. Click on this More option at the right bottom to enter to this page. Now from here, click on the Settings option to access the Settings section. Once you reach to the Settings, you will find the Notification options and tap on it. Once you do so, you will reach to the subheadings on the notification section. Here at the very bottom, you will find Use System Sound option. Make sure you select them. Only then you can access the Call Ringtone option right below it. Now click on this Call Ringtone and you will find the variety of ringtones that you can use for your Viber. You can try each of them and find the one that you like. Once you find the one you like, tap on the little circle ahead of it to select it. After you select one of these ringtones, click on the OK button at the bottom to confirm it. So in this way, you can change ringtone on Viber. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.